Control. That's the name of the new album coming. November 11th, Spanky is drumming. Kevin on the bass, you know the word. I came to rock shows with my niggas, the nerds, the NERD. Yo, I got far. You can't beat me cause I'm a rap star. Or better yet, a rock star. The way I do it. I love coming down with my people's good music. That's Kanye, John Legend. I'm from 87. I'm a legend when I take it all the way to heaven like Dougie Fresh. You can just test and let you know conscious. Sometimes I smoke cess. That BC bud right out of here. Yo, I love it when y'all just wanna cheer. And I can tell you, yo, I keep on robbing. I was out shopping somewhere around Robson. Talking about, yo, I'm sorta ill. Then they said, chill, go to Granville. And I came to Bill with. They said, yo, you should go to the beach called Kit. And I was like, oh shit, I might kick it. The concept show, yo, I never get wicked. I'm too fly from the shot. Yo, it's like this, making girls cry. When I come with freedom and I gotta strike this and spike this in the park. I can spark y'all niggas and bring light in the dark. That's who I am. Yo, I went to BAM, the brother concepts. I love the freestyle jam when I come to Canada. They never called me an amateur. I always have been a professional, no question. I can just crush your flow, touch your hoe, and let her know about the show that comes down from here. People still cheer. I was drinking sangria, I used to drink beer, it was Heineken. I can kick a rhyme again, let you know that was like my vitamin. Now I'm like lightning when I come to strike. Styles like Spike Lee, I do the right thing. I ain't with the right wing people. See, I ain't with that fucking drama. But when it comes to voting, I'ma do it for Obama. And I don't give a fuck about all that push. Don't give a fuck about McCain or George Bush. Or that other broad. Yo, conscious, yo, I gotta rap large. I was in the garage just freestyling back in the days, a little B-boy. This is what I do, I came to build and destroy. Yo, conscious, yo, I love to do shows. I remember y'all had the Vancouver Grizzlies. Yo, I remember that when I was like Whitney. Yo, it's like this, yo, you can't get with me. Nigga, conscious, cause I came to rock the city. Bust rhymes like a titty. I always been witty. If I was Bobby, then you would be Whitney, and I would get with you and let you know I get you to another spot, and after that I lick you. But oh shit, I can't even say that. I'm big like the Payback, the brother consist, going way back like Just Ice. When I come to these shows, I see the girl with the camera, so I pose.